Hey guys, I'm gonna take you to a no cooling call I went to earlier today. It was a little bit technical. Stay tuned. Guys, we got us a no cooling call on this one. And this is a Trane 2-stage, I think 19 SEER. Looks like we're on in high speed. Check our pressures real quick. This is one I've had to add refrigerant to in the past. Oh, that sounded like my compressor. Like something's wrong. Let's see if we can get an amp draw on something. Alright, I've got amp draw hooked up and, excuse me, the inrush. So if it does that again, we can catch it. It has two compressors in it. That's why it's 2-stage like this. And you see these two contactors. This is I don't know, 16, 17-year-old system. I don't know why it keeps saying R12. See this? It says it's R12 and I got an R12 up here. But that is not what this sticker says on the side over here. Watch it, it'll sit right there. See right here, it says R22 2004, so it's 20 years old. That just don't seem right, a 2004 system. We were just putting these in not long ago. Alright. We got 101 inrush. Let's kill our power. I love those. get what that's supposed to be. $35. That's probably what it's supposed to be. Yep. Alright, does this need to be at a certain angle? Let's take it off real quick. See if it has a top to it. Does not seem to have one. That start kit's probably a year old, year and a half. Alright, I know my needle nose are down here somewhere. There we go. Y'all are going to see me do something here that seems to generate lots of controversy. I'm going to check this capacitor without clipping out that bleed resistor. Alright, I'm not getting anything, so let's now pull out the bleed resistor. Try that again, see if we get a different result. Nothing. So that's our problem right there. Let me see if I have another hard start kit. I'm not sure I have a, what is it, 521? But I do have one with a relay. This is what I have. This is one of those 2-wire relays. I think we can wire it like a regular 3-wire relay. And I think I'm going to. Alright. I need my needle nose. Okay, our 2 commons there go to 5, which is always common. Alright, and the next one is going to be start, which is this one. And then the next one is going to be from the relay, right? I mean, from the capacitor right there. turn that where the label sticks out. Let me do some figuring here. I think that is common, run, and start. I do know that one wire is going to go here, but I need my run wire, which is right here. Or is it this one? One of these is run and one is start. Alright, it looks like left side is going to be my start. So this is, yeah, my left side is going to be my start. I think. That's one of my powers coming in, so the red's run. Orange is going to be start. So that goes to run. Alright, now just to pin that up there. Alright, I'm not going to tidy all that up yet. I'm just going to see if this is going to work. Did not. This is a 2.5 to 3 ton. All right, let's make sure here. Tell you what, why don't we take this power line? Making sure I got everything right. just making some changes here. These are my 2 power wires coming in, so this is common and this is run. This is going to be my start. Let's try that again. No, it's not starting, is it? Let me see. So we know we're hooked to one. Maybe I'm not supposed to do one of these potential relays like this. This should really be over here. So we got run. Capacitor's always between start and run. So that goes to run. This goes to start. That goes to start. I think that ought to do it. Whew. All right, one more thing before I give up. Let's try to use this potential relay because it was made more for that kind of use. Although I think that one should work. And we'll try again. blacks are common. They go on 5. My general start goes on 2. That's right. And this is going to be run alright. I'll try that again. No luck. Alright. I'm just gonna wire all my runs, all my starts together. Shouldn't hurt anything. Alright, so capacitor gets alright, so that capacitor is not getting any juice unless this one is energized. That's not going to be energized. Yeah, that's alright, so run has power all the time. Yep, that's got power all the time now. So that should fire up. My starts are hooked together, so I am not understanding exactly how this fan's getting juice to start. Unless the high is pulled in. Just leave it that way for right now. Let's see if we can get this thing to start. Alright, so my run has power. Goes to my start, goes to my start, goes to my start. Oh, I'm seeing what I'm looking at. So this gives power to this capacitor, which gives it an extra boost when high is pulled in. We have an ECM motor for our condenser fan motor. All right, now let's see if we can get it. Come on. Got it on. Oh, it came on. I just heard it. How about that? I felt like I had to rewire the whole thing, but it came on and started running. Yes, R22 system, that's doing good. Alright, so I was afraid this one was going to be a dead compressor. It is not. So that did that for that one. We tested it in low and high speed. Customer's happy, it's on and cooling, so it lives to see another day. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.